Hey y'all, this is your girl Tysheen and I'm back with another video. Fawlty Towers, yes. This one is buying a fridge. Oh boy, what did he get himself into? He always get himself into something. Oh my gosh. He's so funny. So let's get straight to it. I'm laughing already.
Hello, dear.
I came back from my class, Basil. I'm not staying.
Oh, aren't you? Okay.
What?
I'm sure you know best, dear.
You don't even want me to, do you?
Well, what's that?
15 years I've been with you, when I think what I might have had.
15 years. God.
You want me to go, don't you?
Oh, no, but you've obviously made your mind up, so...
I won't forget this, Basil.
What?
No, I won't. I'm going now, Basil. I think it's best, don't you?
All right, dear.
Right, Basil.
Cheerio, dear. Drive carefully, dear.
Let me just have a little feel, just to see if... No, don't be frightened. No, I'm not going to hurt you. Just feel your glands, dear. Now, don't be silly, Sybil. Just trust me, it's for your own good. Now, don't be silly.
What's going on?
She hit me, Basil. What? I was trying to examine her. She lashed out.
Don't hit our friends. I know you're not feeling 100%.
Did he just hit that lady? No, he didn't, just slapped her.
Tell yourself I'm sorry, she's not herself today. Don't worry, the doctor will be over here soon. I'll give you a call, tell you what he says. So, everyone
Is this
care
up?
another drink or... No.
Sounds low.
It'll be it's quite nice.
All the same, dear. They're all the same, believe me.
No, they not.
It's all about. We're going to have a nice game of golf when we go out to dinner. Did you get your clubs?
She's gonna want to.
Awfully nice to see you all. Thanks for coming over. No, not at all. We must do this more often, you know, when they're fit again. Yes, sorry about all the injuries. Still, you know, perhaps when Sybil's a bit better, we can all get together and, you know, have a proper... How extra... Oh, we were just talking about it. Basil Fawlty. We met once at a fete. Let me show you where it is. How is the north? Have you been up there at all recently? Was it...
This hotel is a hot mess. Basil is something else. I don't know how she deal with this. I don't know how she deal with him every day. Oh my God, why are these two on the floor, in the kitchen floor fighting? I ain't gonna lie, this place is very entertaining though.
Explain everything in a moment. What a coincidence. She's thinking of buying one of our fridges. Well, lovely to have seen you. I'm sorry about the ankle.
Did he? No, we're not gonna act like we didn't just see what we just saw here. Did he really put close his wife in the closet? She didn't even put up a fight.
All right, sorry. Just keep the head
Oh
right
my
back.
God!
Sorry, those are just spraying on. Great fun.
You forgot your wife.
Piece of cake. Now comes the tricky bit.
This ain't tricky. She's about to file a divorce. Why are you? Oh my God! No, he did not. No, he did not just lock his wife in the damn closet. Oh my God. Oh my God. I hope it was worth it, Basil. I hope it was worth it. Anyway, y'all. If there's any, I'm hungry. I'm about to like go eat something, y'all. So this is probably my last video reacting for today. I react to so many videos today. I'm tired now. But if there's any other videos you had me react to, comment below, let your girl know. Also, don't forget to do what? Subscribe. Yes, subscribe to your girl. Go down there, press the button. It's free. Yes, it's free. And I have more videos of Fawlty Towers on my channel. So yeah, go check them out. Go check them out. Yes, yes. And I'll see you lovely people. Take care of yourself. Be safe. Peace. That's my dog. He's like, hurry up. I'm hungry.